Today is Wednesday, August 11th. This is a 1967 Cadillac DeVille convertible and sedan DeVille kickdown switch and bracket, also referred to as the DashPot, although the top vacuum DashPot is missing in this particular configuration. This is just the mounting bracket with the kickdown switch. And I've got it connected to power. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test for my friend Joshua Dale. And I'll go ahead and actuate it, and we'll be looking for electrical continuity to be supplied to the light bulb. Okay, and there we go, turning the switch on and off, on and off. So that's the functional validation test for the 1967 DeVille specific two-prong variant kickdown switch. This is Georgian, Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 Cadillac items in my collection. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay from 1969 through 1978, including the one-year-only 69 rim blow steering wheel, as well as the 67 and 68 grip line steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the instrument clusters, the power seat mechanisms, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, August 11th. Thank you very kindly.